In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a file on Telegram quickly and easily using the Telegram desktop app. Whether you want to share a document, photo, video, or any other file type, this is one of the fastest ways to send it right inside your chat. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, launch the Telegram desktop app on your computer and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once Telegram opens, go to the chat where you want to send your file. You can choose an individual contact, a group chat, or even a channel if you have posting access there. After opening the correct chat, look down near the message bar at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a Paperclip icon, which is the attachment menu. Click on that Paperclip icon to open the file options. Telegram will now show you a menu that lets you attach different types of content. From here, choose the file option and browse your computer for the file you want to send. This could be a PDF, Word document, image, zip file, spreadsheet, or almost any other supported file format. Once you find the file, click on it to select it, and then click Open. Telegram may take a moment to load the file into the message composer, especially if it's a larger file. Before sending, take one quick moment to double-check that you selected the correct file and that you're sending it to the right chat. This is always a good habit, especially if you're sharing something important. When everything looks good, click the Send button. Your file will now be uploaded and delivered through Telegram instantly. If it's a large file, you may see a progress bar while Telegram finishes uploading it. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in the chat, and the other person will be able to download and open it. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a file on Telegram using the desktop app. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.